Hello everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. First of all, I would like to thank Skillshare for being our sponsor today. I will be talking about them a little bit more later on as we go through this day together. So today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I did on a productive lazy day as well as everything I ate. If you haven't seen my last productive lazy day video, the whole point of this day is to be relaxed, be lazy, but still do a few little low-key tasks so that I can de-stress, but also I don't feel like I'm being a complete couch potato. If you enjoy the concept of this video, don't forget to click that like button to let me know. So on this particular day, I'm not going to lie, I was quite hungover. I know, story of my life. So it was a little bit more of a lazy day than I was planning, but that is okay because the whole point of these days is to not feel bad for being lazy, and even if you get one thing done, that is still an accomplishment. So you've already seen my breakfast. I've decided to have some fancy schmancy instant noodles and some rice with seaweed. Very Korean style breakfast. Instant noodles are my usual hangover breakfast. They're definitely not the healthiest, but they're quick and they're easy, and I always crave spicy soup when I'm hungover. So after lounging around and being extremely unproductive for most of the early afternoon, I finally decided to go grocery shopping after I started feeling a bit better. I had some leftover tahini dressing that was in my fridge for about 1,000 years, so I finally decided to take that out and touch it up a little bit with some more soy sauce, lemon juice, and maple syrup. If you guys want the full recipe for this delicious tahini dressing, I'll leave a link in the description box. My parents gave me this giant bag of carrots from the farmer's market a while back, and I've been meaning to peel and roast them because I find that when I batch roast veggies, I eat them more frequently. Go figure. So while peeling a bunch of carrots, I decided to watch a course on Skillshare. As I mentioned in the beginning, this video is sponsored by Skillshare, and if you haven't heard of them, they're an online learning community for creators, and they have more than 30,000 courses in many different topics such as design, marketing, productivity, business, and so much more. And it's a really awesome platform that allows you to keep learning and growing, and even on a lazy day like this, you can still get some new information in. The course I took on this day is called Productivity Masterclass, Creating a Custom System That Works. This is definitely one of my favorite productivity classes on Skillshare so far because it really highlights step by step what tools to use and how to create your own productivity system, and it's also super easy to follow. It gave me a bit of motivation to get my life together on this mostly lazy day. Premium membership for Skillshare is only $10 a month to get unlimited access to all of their courses. But today, guys, Skillshare is offering my viewers 2 months of Skillshare full access absolutely free. So don't forget to check out that link down below to claim your free 2 months, and you can start learning with Skillshare today. that's it, you guys, for what I did and what I ate on my productive lazy day. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. If you did, please don't forget to click that like button. Let me know also your thoughts below in the comment section, and if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. I'd like to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video once again. Don't forget to claim those 2 free months by clicking the link down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!